Okay, this is going to be the first part of the SOL practice test 2. We're going to start with some level 1 questions. Okay. All right, all these you can be done with just Desmos. What I want to do there is put negative 15 in for n. Okay, so I got negative 2. Okay, absolute value, parentheses, negative 10. I'm sorry, negative 15. Close the parentheses, plus 6. Close the absolute value. Okay, so negative 2. Put that there, I get negative 18. That's going to be letter B. Okay, all right. Sometimes I may have to use my Desmos. So what I want to do here is do 5. All right, I want to put 8 in here, minus negative 4, square root of 16, and then a plus 9. I'm just writing that out for myself. You shouldn't write that. You should just type that into Desmos. 5, cube root is gone by functions all the way down. Here, cube, click in there, 8, hit outside, minus, parentheses around negative 4, square root, parentheses 16, close them, click over here, plus 9. Okay, and that gives me an answer of 35. B. Okay, all right, what I want to do here, all right, I want to put the squared outside. Make sure you put the squared outside of both of them. Okay, so 3, parentheses negative 1, squared minus parentheses around 3. Okay, with a square. Okay, that gives me negative 6, which that's that answer. Okay. Question 4, this is a graph match question. Anytime they tell you to graph something, go ahead and just graph it in Desmos. Y equals negative 4 divided by 3. Click over here for x plus 2. All right. So what I want to look at, all right, that crosses at 2, that crosses at 1.5. So that's what I want to find. Okay. So it's not the first 2. Okay. All right. So this would be the best answer. All right. That's how easy that one is. Okay, question 5, 1 x-intercept, 1 y-intercept. This is just an x-intercept. This is just a y-intercept. This is an x-intercept and a y-intercept. This is just an x-intercept. So they want 1 x, 1 y. That would be that letter, B. Okay, so that's 5. Go on to question 6. Okay. All right, I got 2 lines. 2 lines I'm trying to find, where do they cross at? So that goes into Desmos. 2x minus 7y equals 0. X minus 6y equals negative 5. Okay, that crosses right there at 7, 2. That would be F. Okay, so I'm going to question 7 now. Question 7, all right, what's that answer? That's going to be right there. How do I get that? I start in the center. Okay, I go 4 over, and then 3 up. So 4 over 3, all right? Okay, right, up, okay? All right, same thing here, 2 lines, where does it cross? Okay, x plus y equals 4, x minus y equals 2. Where does it cross? It crosses at 3, 1. That would be letter H. All right, next question should be question 9. Okay, what are the roots? Okay, anytime you see solutions, roots, zeros, x-intercepts, and there's 1 line, we're looking for where it crosses the x-axis. Only the x-axis, not the y-axis. Only the x-axis, okay? So what I want to do, you don't have to type the equals 0 in. Just type if you have the equals 0 or the f of x. And if you have a different letter, just use x. Okay, that's it. 2 and 5. So that'll be letter A. Okay, going to question 10. Okay, you can either look at that or they gave you the equation. Okay, that's at negative 2. That's at 4, I believe. Okay, this is the only parts we care about. Okay, all right. Now, if I type that in, once again, I don't need a pencil to do this. negative 2, and 4. That's the answer. Next question should be 11. Okay, what are the solutions? Once again, 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. I'm going to have to zoom in here. That's negative 1.5 and negative 1. Okay, so I know that like these are out, these are out. Negative 1, well this is going to be it. If you ever need to check your fraction, negative 3 divided by 2, that's negative 1.5. Okay? All right? Each one that is exactly 1, 0. So one time does it cross the x-axis. Okay, so I type it, I'll have to type in the f of x. Okay, all right, hit home. This crosses twice, so this is no. Okay, all right, 9 parentheses x minus 1. Or x minus 8, sorry. That crosses 1, so that would be an answer. X squared plus 4x plus 8. That doesn't cross at all, so that's not an answer. Okay, all right, x squared minus 8x plus 16. All right, that crosses once, that's going to be an answer. Is it x plus 1? Okay, that crosses twice, so that's not. So I got those two. Okay. All right. Which equation is true? Once again, one line, type it in. Oops, I forgot the x. All right, it's right there. It's 4. Next question should be 15. Okay. 15, this is a graph match question. So what I want to do is type that in. Negative 1 divided by 3. Click over here, x plus 2. Okay? All right? So, all right, that goes at 2 and 6, shaded below. Let me just make sure that's correct as far as the number goes. Finding it real quick. Did that one, did that one. Oops, I skipped 13. Let me finish this one. Let me go back and we do this one, 15. Okay, yep, that's right. So that would be it right here. Okay, graph match. All right, sorry, I did not do 13. I skipped that. Sorry, for this one, what I want to do, okay, all right, come on, is for this one, for question 13, all right, come on. Okay, what I want to do, instead of using n, I want to use x, all right, divided by 6 equals parentheses 2x plus 5 divided by 3. And zoom out till you find the answer. Okay, all right, it's going to be negative 17. Okay, so sorry I skipped that. All right, 15. Okay, 16. All right, this is a one line. You're looking for where it crosses the x-axis. Okay, the key thing here with this, you use x is greater, x is equal to if it's shaded to the right. Use x is less than or x is less than or equal to if it's shaded left. Okay, other thing you got to watch out for, these are dashed lines, these are solid lines. So what I want to do, negative 2x plus 3 greater than 7. Okay, all right. It's going to the left at negative 2, so it's going to be that one. All right, next question should be 17. Okay, same deal. I want to type 17 into to Desmos. That's hard for me to see it. So I'm just taking a look at it. Negative parentheses x plus 4, right, minus 2, greater than 2x plus 6. Once again, that's going to the left at, did I type that in right? Oh, whoops, forgot that x. Okay, all right, so it's left at negative 4. That would be an open circle, so it would be that one, okay? All right, 18 should be next. And it is, okay? Which point is the solution to these? So this is a double, so what I'm looking for is the darkest area. Okay, all right. So what I do is in Desmos, I type in y greater than 1 divided by 2, click over x plus 1, then I got y plus 3x less than or equal to 6. That's the darkest area. We hit home so I get a good idea of that. And then what I want to do is I want to put in -1, -3, and that dot should end up there, so that's not an answer. Next one is 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to clear that out. Let's go 1, 2. Okay, that's in the darkest area, so that's going to be 1. Let's go 2, 0. All right, that is not in the darkest area. And then 4, 6. All right, that is not in the darkest area, so the only one you should have selected is that one. Okay, all right, and that ends the level 1 question. Sorry about question number 13. Okay, that's the first part. We'll go on to part 2 in a second.